Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to BMS videos. In previous video, we have discussed chapter number 6 Animals Everywhere. We discussed some topics of this chapter. Today we will discuss next topics of chapter number 6 Animals Everywhere. So our first topic is animal migration. The long distance journey of animals regularly at a particular time of the year is known as animal migration. Migration means animals move one place to another place for completion of their needs like food, water, shelter. Animals migrate in search of food and water or to avoid harsh weather conditions. Some animals migrate to find a favorable place for reproduction. Reproduction means to give birth to their young ones. The bar-headed geese live in the Himalayan mountains. In winter, when the weather becomes extremely cold, these birds come to several regions in India to feed. Means bar-headed geese also migrate for food in winter season. When summer approaches, they fly back to the mountains. Several large animals, including elephants, wild beasts, zebras, live in African grasslands. In summer, the water in these grasslands dries up. Animals living in these grasslands therefore travel long distances in search of water. Means in summer, African grasslands become dry. So in search of water, African grassland animals have to migrate in search of water. Whales travel to cold parts of the ocean for feeding and move to warmer waters to give birth to their young ones. Means whales also have to migrate for the reproduction. So next topic is how do animals obtain air. We know that all animals need air to live. Snails, snakes, lizards, turtles, crocodiles, birds, monkeys, lions, dolphins, whales, and human beings breathe with the help of their lungs. Insects have tiny hole called spiracles through which air enters a network of fine tubes situated in their bodies. These tubes carry air to every part of the insect's body. Fish and most other animals that live in water obtain oxygen from the water. Corals, starfish, jellyfish are some such animals. Fish obtain oxygen from the water with the help of their gills. As the water flows over the gills, the blood flowing through the gills absorbs oxygen from the water. The blood then carries this oxygen to every part of the body, like this. Firstly, fish takes in water through the mouth. After that, water passes over the gills and comes out of the flap. After, gills are filled with blood. When water passes over the gills, the blood absorbs the oxygen present in the water. In this way, fish breathe with the help of their gills. Next, frogs live both on land and in water. Means frogs are able to live on land also and in water also. When on land, frogs take in oxygen from the air. They breathe with the help of their lungs. Means when frogs live on land, then they breathe with their lungs. When in water, frogs obtain oxygen from the water through their moist skin. Earthworms to take in oxygen with the help of their moist skin. That is why earthworms cannot live in dry soil. Means earthworms always live in wet soil. So now our chapter is finished. Now we will do the exercise of chapter number 6. Firstly, we will do fill in the blanks. First blank is animals that live on land are called dash animals. Which animals live on land? The animals live on land are called terrestrial animals. So first blank is animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Second is animals that live in water are called dash animals. The animals live in water are called aquatic animals. Next one is dash feeds only on the flesh of other animals. Which animals feed on flesh of other animals? That are called carnivores and does not eat plants. Carnivores feed only on the flesh of other animals and does not eat plants. Next is a dash feeds on plants only. Which animals feeds on plants only? That are herbivores. Next one is a regular long distance movement of animals at a particular time of the year is called dash. It is called migration. When animals move one place to another place at a particular time of year is called migration. So now we will discuss our next part, second part, correct the following sentence. First sentence is most animals that live on land have limbs and can walk. The animals have limbs. They can walk only? No, they can run also. So correct statement is most animals that live on land have limbs, can walk and run also. Second statement is all birds are herbivores. All birds are herbivores? No, some birds are omnivores also, like peacock. Peacock eat other animals also and eat plants also. So all birds are not herbivores. Third statement is animals migrate only to escape harsh weather conditions. Animals migrate only to escape harsh weather condition? No, because animals migrate in search of food also, water also, shelter also, and for reproduction also. So correct statement is animals migrate only to, not only, animals migrate to escape harsh weather conditions in search of food and water and for reproduction also. Fourth is corals and starfish use oxygen present in the air around them. Corals and starfish use oxygen present in air around them? No, because corals and starfish are aquatic animals. So which oxygen they will use? They use oxygen from the water. So correct statement is corals and starfish use oxygen from the water in which they live. Next statement is otters are terrestrial animals. No, because otters live in water. That's why otters are aquatic animals. So correct statement is otters are aquatic animals. So today we have done chapter also and exercise also. Next we will discuss in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.